Hi everybody, and welcome back to Desert DIY. If you are new here, my name is Corey. Today is our third video in the Room of the Month makeover with Heidi Sonbol, and here's my puppy. And I'm also collaborating on this with Yami from the Latina Next Door, Kristen from Kristen's Chaotic Life, and Antoinette from Simple Yet Chic. For this video, I'm going to be showing you some DIYs that I have done for the nursery. I can't do much, but my doctor did give me permission now to move around a little bit more than I was before. Her advice was just don't do anything that gives you contractions. So I tried to do these crafts while sitting down, since standing and walking still is giving me contractions. I'm also just recovering from food poisoning, which was not very fun, but I definitely have a lot of my energy back today, and I have a couple projects. The first project is going to be doing a no-sew slipcover for this chair. This chair is like a dark blue wool, but it's from the 50s. It's really cute and retro, and the frame is all solid wood, so I thought it would be the perfect rocking chair for this baby in this nursery, and the wood tone matches the wood tone of the crib. So I'm going to do that slipcover on here and show you how I do it using a drop cloth. And then I have a little chalkboard that I'm going to be doing some chalk lettering on, and I'll show you how I do that. Learned it from Pinterest. And I'm also going to be painting a little wooden boat shelf, which I'm going to use that to hold the baby's like lotions and diaper rash creams and hand sanitizer, things like that. And the final DIY is not a DIY that I completed, but a friend of mine did on her Cricut machine. So I will show you a little bit of that. I can't show you the whole thing because it has the baby's gender on the second half, but I'll show you the first half because it's part of my decoration for the whole nursery. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'm gonna get started. So this is just a regular drop cloth, and I bleached it and dried it in my washer and dryer, and now I'm just going to slip it on and tuck it in around the cushions and make it look like a slipcover without having to sew anything. The trick to it is to just tuck it in real tight. Here's an up-close look at the chair with my no-sew slipcover. I did a little 45-degree angle on the ends right here just to make it look more finished. I could add a pillow to this or just leave it as is, and these drop cloths are surprisingly soft after you wash them, and they're very durable, and if anything happens like spit up or spills or anything like that, we can just throw it right back in the washer. I have a chalkboard here that is made out of an old cabinet door, and the color is just not neutral enough for the look I'm going for in the nursery. So I'm just going to paint the frame of it white, and then that way it's just a little more neutral and blends in. And as the baby grows older, it can transition more easily to whatever new styles we do in their bedroom. I'm going to use these. They're like chalk markers. Got them from Michael's. I've never used them before, so we will find out how good they are right now. My belly's so big it's hard to reach. Okay, and now I'm going to go back over it and shade on all the down strokes. Sometimes it helps when you like sort of retrace over it, then it helps you to remember when exactly you went down. The next DIY is going to be this old wooden boat. I'm going to paint it white, just like I did for the chalkboard. And then I'm going to use it to hold all the baby's lotions and diaper rash creams, things like that. After all these DIYs, I'm a little too burned out, so I've enlisted the help of my other little ones to finish painting this boat. We got the first coat done, but I am too worn out to get this done today, so you're just gonna have to wait to see where I put it in the final reveal. This banner is in black and white because I don't want to reveal the gender, but a friend of mine made this with her Cricut machine for my baby shower at work. They threw me a surprise baby shower and it was wonderful. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on the video next week. Next week's video is going to be on the 30th, Thursday, at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 5 p.m. Arizona time. So, also don't forget to go check out everybody else's progress on their rooms that they're doing, and watch their videos next week. I can't wait to see the reveal. These ladies are working really hard on these rooms, and I know they're going to turn out really great. So I will see you next week. Bye!